Look at this. The unboxing video of the new LG Ally. This is gonna be awesome. I can't wait until the phone is opened and I get to have it. Okay, YouTube. Here it goes. Christian. That's right. Unboxing of the LG Ally. Yeah. Okay, here it goes. Oh, this is gonna be awesome. What's it? What the? Where's the phone? Where is the phone? They didn't even give me the freaking charger? What the heck? Oh my gosh. Freaking cheapskate Verizon. Gosh darn it. Don't even give me the freaking phone. Wow. Just kidding. I'm actually holding the phone right now. It is an amazing phone. I love it so much. It's awesome. You guys should totally get one of these like this. Right, well, I'll talk to you guys later.